Open this. Open this was helicopter.
Maybe we need a shot that's further back. You're doing a good job waiting. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video with Project R&B, and we've got another Lego build. This time it is Lego set 75928, Blue's Helicopter Pursuit. Beckett picked this one out again. Are you excited to build it?
Yeah.
Should we open it up?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Beckett already did his signature bite off of the side there while we were waiting to get the camera set up. Open that bad boy up.
Watch out how to pull it. We got blue. Let's open blue first.
What all do we have in there? What's this?
I don't know.
What is this?
Skeletons.
Oh my gosh, it's mangled.
It's mangled by skeletons.
Did a velociraptor get a hold of that and eat it up?
No.
And then we got Beckett's bite that he took out of it. Bag 3. We got bag number 2.
Bag number 1.
We got bag number 1. Hey, you're getting good at that. Good job. In this set, we do have 3 minifigures also. We've got Owen Grady, Ken Wheatley, and Helicopter Pilot. And I'll show those off as we get through the build. Are you ready to open that?
Yeah.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Let me just say that your outfit today is on point. I really enjoy your pajamas.
I need something that Blue needs in his neck.
You need something that Blue needs in his neck.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what that would be.
I think that could be something that...
You're probably right. I mean, you're always right about these things.
Yeah.
Oh, that new dinosaur feel. We literally woke up a half an hour ago and Beckett was like, I'm ready to do another Lego build, so rise and build, let's go.
I need something to put.
Oh, you need a pin. You need one of those. Let me throw that in there.
Yeah.
There. Is that what you needed on his neck?
Yeah.
He knew that immediately. That's incredible.
Put his mouth in.
It's almost like you've built Lego before. Yeah. Look out, I've got a crossbow and I know how to use it. There's our first little minifigure. We've got Owen Grady. He's got a crossbow action feature there where you can shoot a stud. Just like this. Gotcha! He's going to get the other dinosaurs from the flock. I don't know what's going on up there, but it sounds like trouble. We've got our second minifigure here. This is Ken Wheatley. Comes with a stud shooter gun. He's got some pretty nice detailing all along the front and the back. I don't recall this person from the movies, but he is a named figure, Ken Wheatley. And there's Velociraptor Blue. Awesome little sand green and sand blue coloring all the way around him.
That can't go like that.
It's pretty ferocious to me.
That can't go like that.
That can't go like that?
No.
Alright, all the other dinosaurs have come down to play too. Let's get this building started!
I will build Blue with you.
Okay, let's go. Little sticker sheet action in this set. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stickers to apply. Whoa, slash sticker applicator. What a little punk! Oh my gosh, you're gonna be that kid? Wow, that was stone cold, dude. Stone cold.
Got Blue, you got Blue together too, and I got Blue together too.
We got Blue together too. We got Blue, how about you? Saturday morning, building Lego with my best friend. Blue seems to have developed some different legs.
Yeah, the big blue legs.
The big blue legs. Big blue legs for Blue, that makes sense. Is that why you did that? Get off me, Baryonyx tail.
Get off my daddy baryonyx too.
Darn tootin'. I've got the ATV and the trailer all done. Fits together nicely with just a little ball joint. Cha-ching. Spare tire on the back just in case there is an accident.
Can we put everybody in there?
I think that's a good idea. Put him in there.
Better.
Perfect. Man, he looks awesome sitting on there. How'd you like my turkey call? Very nice.
Do you want to hear my dinosaur sound? That's my voice.
You didn't even give me a chance to say yes or no. You just laid it on me. Do you want to hear my dinosaur roar?
Yeah.
Roar.
Roar! That is a big noise. Say it like this. Roar!
That is a big noise.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble.
We got ourselves a raptor pen there, boys.
Can I put Boo's turkey leg in there?
You think he's hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Bag number 2.
Bag number 2.
How many is 2? Can you hold up 2 fingers? There it is. Nice jump. Nice jump.
Nice go. Boom.
You're adorable.
Yeah.
That is our next minifigure in the set. His name officially is Pilot, but Beckett said that his name was, he said Noto just a little bit ago. He's going to save everybody himself with his tiny velociraptor arms. Oh, that poor guy. It's pretty cool. They got the cockpit and the window piece separate, and you just kind of snap the two together. Ta-da! Good job, buddy.
Did it.
Well done.
All done, Daddy.
Bag number 3. The final bag.
The final bag.
This is the state of the helicopter after bag 2. Good progress.
No.
That is rock solid. I like it. You can even hold it from the back of it.
Blue.
Good job, dude.
I did it.
Blue, you're flying, man. You're flying. Yay! Wow, look at that. That's cool, isn't it?
That spins.
It does spin. It's a helicopter. Mesmerizing. 2 propellers. Oh, 1 propeller. Alright, we are all done with that build. Helicopter is intact. It has wheels. It has 2 propellers that have been prepared by Mr. Beckett. Got a little action feature where it can swoop in here. Can you do that again where you swoop in the helicopter and attach to that?
No.
You want me to do it?
No, I'm gonna do it.
Swoop in there and grab that crate and take off. Uh-oh, and drop it again. Poor Velociraptor Blue. Uh-oh. There's a T-Rex coming. That helicopter is no match for that T-Rex. And it does have a stud shooter though, so take this T-Rex. Yeah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. T-Rex wins again. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for another fantastic build with my favorite little builder buddy. Can I get a builder buddy fist bump? Booyah!
Oh yeah.
We appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe for more of this kind of crazy Lego building content. Until the next time,
See you tomorrow.
we'll see you tomorrow with included turkey leg. Ow, you hit my hand.